Is this thing on? I'm just kidding. Hi everybody, my name is Chase Keibler. I'm the attorney here at Keibler Law Group. Today I'm here looking for help. I am looking for guest speakers to join me on my podcast where we will be talking about corporate affirmative recovery programs. Now I'm anticipating my guest speakers being somebody at an in-house counsel or in a general counsel office, but I'm also welcome to speak with private practitioners who help companies in this type of way, as well as litigation funding companies who fund these types of litigations. Now, historically, general counsel's offices have always been seen as kind of a cost center where they only contribute indirectly to the corporation. However, in recent years, we're seeing more corporate counsels getting involved in affirmative recovery programs and generating real fiscal value for their corporations. Now, this does a couple things for both the company. First, it creates revenue. It makes the general counsel office not just a cost center, but a revenue generating portion of the company. And it also enhances the general counsel's perception throughout the company, right? It's not just the people that say no. Now, what I would like to kind of talk about on our podcast is your experience and how you set up, manage, monitor, and track these types of cases, perhaps your use of litigation funding or whether or not your company thinks about that, and maybe your selection of outside counsel. Really, I'm happy to talk about whatever you'd like to talk about. We can get into the nitty-gritty on something that you're particularly passionate about, or we can kind of discuss your company's system as a whole. Now, I anticipate recording these podcasts within the next 6 to 9 months. So I'm thinking fall 2022 to winter 2022. If you are interested in joining me on my podcast, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Shoot me a call or email or a text, and we'll get together. Now, as far as logistics, I anticipate me coming to whatever city that you are in, and we can do these either at your office, or we can do them at a co-working space that I have access to. And if you don't have time for that, if you prefer to do this virtually, I'm more than happy to do that as well. I can kind of walk you through the steps on what that would look like. Anyway, if you are interested in joining me on my podcast, please feel free to reach out to me again. If you think that somebody else would be a great speaker or guest on my podcast, I encourage you to share this video and my information with them, and hopefully we can link up. Thanks everybody, and I hope to hear from you soon.